Hello all, I am Pranjali Joshi from PICT Pune. Welcome to the session on Database Management System. Today in this session we will learn trigger. What is a trigger? A trigger is a stored procedure associated with a table. It activates when a particular event occurs for the table. Why we are using triggers? Triggers are used to execute actions automatically whenever an event occurs. Triggers simplify writing of SQL queries. Let me write trigger for the following scenario. Here I am maintaining a database for storing information of the medicine. So let me show you the table medicine already I have created. So here in this medicine table I am having medicine ID, medicine name, price and quantity. So now associated with this medicine table we are also having new order table. Let me describe the new order table. New order table is having medicine ID, order date and new quantity. Now let me check the records present in new order. So right now we don't have any records in new order. So it's displaying empty cell. So here I am writing a trigger to automatically send a new medicine order to this new order table whenever the quantity of medicine falls below the specified threshold. So let me write the trigger by following the syntax. So before writing a stored procedure we need to change the delimiter. So here I am changing the delimiter. Now following the syntax, create trigger. Trigger name is new order for medicine. So in the second statement I am writing after update on table. So here my table is medicine. So writing table name as medicine. Here the keyword after indicates the trigger action when that trigger will be executed, and update keyword represent the trigger event. So here this new order for medicine trigger will be executed after applying update operation on medicine table. Now the next statement is for each row. For each row is the statement to execute each time the trigger is fired, which occurs once for each row affected by the triggering event. Now after writing for each row, I am going to write compound statement. So we know that stored procedure always start with the compound statement begin. Now here I am checking the quantity of medicine. So for this I am using if construct and the new keyword. What is this new keyword? New keyword is used to access columns affected by the trigger. So MySQL has provided use of old and new values to access the columns of trigger. So whenever we are having update operation, we can access both the old and new values from the table. So now here let me complete my if construct. If new dot quantity is less than 20, then so as per the problem statement, if the quantity is less than the specified threshold, here I have decided the threshold as less than 20. Okay, so insert into new order. So automatically the order should get placed into the new order table. So here insert into new order values. So new dot MID, that will be the affected column. So here we are using the new keyword, new dot MID, then system date and the quantity to be updated. The quantity to be inserted. Okay, completed the insert statement. Now I am going to complete the if construct by using endif, enter stored procedure, and let me use the delimiter. Okay, so here trigger new order for medicine is created. Now whenever I will write update statement to modify the quantity of medicine, this trigger will automatically executed. So before executing update statement, let me show you, is there any value present in new order? Okay, so in new order we are having empty set. Now here I am going to use the update statement. Update medicine table set quantity equals to 15, where medicine ID is equal to 1. So here my quantity from medicine table is updated. Let me show you the updated quantity from medicine table. Yes. So here in medicine table I am having medicine ID 1, medicine named Crocin, and the quantity as 15. So now here automatically the trigger is activated and we got a new order of medicine of Crocin in new order table. So let me check in new order. Select start from new order. Okay, so you can check over here, earlier the new order table was empty. Okay, and when we have written update statement for setting the quantity of medicine, so as the medicine quantity was less than the specified threshold, the trigger is executed and now the new order has been placed into the table new order. So the medicine ID 1 and the order date is today's date and the new quantity is 200. So here we have seen use of after trigger with update event. Similarly, we can use before trigger along with insert, delete event. Okay, so completed the simple trigger concept. Thank you.